Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a quick tip for Canva. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices. Today I'm teaching you how to use the basic animation function in Canva. So I'm going to jump into it. I've got my design here. So make sure nothing is selected. So nothing's selected, and then in the top toolbar up in the left hand corner, you'll see there's an animate button. If you click that, it's going to bring up a heap of options for you, and if you mouse over them, it's going to preview them. When I saw this function, I could not believe it because like 10 years ago, we had to do all this manually, so I can't believe Canva has this. It's awesome. It's so good for like Facebook ads, just to draw a little bit more interest. You can either download a movie file or you can download an animated GIF, which is really cool too. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this function. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.